Hey guys, it's me, Kenny. Welcome back to Kenny's Corner 2014. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm in my kitchen, but you can't really see much of it because my head blocks it. And today, I'm going to be trying Kit Kat cereal. Yes, it's a real thing. And we're just going to see how it tastes. The bowl's next to me, but you can't see that. But, here we go. I got it on the spoon. Let me turn the camera. You can probably see the spoon, maybe. Here we go. That's pretty good. So they're very chocolatey, and they're like square pieces, and they actually taste really good. That concludes this short video of me trying the Kit Kat cereal, and I guess I would recommend. Bye.